1. Do you have a large car? 2. What do you find in the sports section of a newspaper? 3. My chair is made of aluminum. What is it made of? 4. This is a dangerous intersection. Why is it dangerous? 5. Birth is the beginning of life. What is the end of life? 6. Maria wrote home twice last week. 7. Mary forgot the name of one of her friends. 8. Mrs. Jackson speaks English. Mrs. Smith does too. 9. The little girl had a problem when she tried to tie her shoes. 10. 2 of the teachers extinguished the fire. 11. Rose Ellen broke her mirror. 12. I'm waiting for my brother to arrive. What am I waiting for? 13. The only painting I liked cost $50. Each of the others was half that price. What was the price of the other paintings? 14. Why are you so serious? 15. How often do you practice English? 16. Can you tell me who that individual is? 17. Defense was their main concern. What was their main concern? 18. What is a board made of? 19. Why did you choose that book to read? 20. The woman kept her diamonds in a safe. Why? 21. I hear that your sister is living in England. Do you correspond with her? 22. Jenny filled out the application. What did she do? 23. He's catching on fast. What's he doing? 24. The commander says he approves of the plan. 25. Make sure the equipment functions properly before you try to use it. 26. When I called him, he was too occupied to talk. 27. Our guests stayed overnight. 28. Joe was looking for a way to simplify his job. 29. Mr. Jones said, "I cannot afford a car." What does Mr. Jones mean? 30. Jane lives in Evanston, which is a suburb of Chicago. Where does Jane live? 31. Are those two keys identical? 32. The band leader has been asked to compose a song. What has he been asked to do? 33. Bob slept in the open. Where did he sleep? 34. The watchman looked downward. Where did he look? 35. Was the light blinking? 36. Carl's getting up from the table. What's he doing? 37. Why did Jerry try on the coat? 38. Mr. Walton plans to attend the concert. 39. The top of the table was rough. 40. Jim got very tired by the end of the day. 41. Chew your food well. 42. The road was curved. 43. Mrs. Sanders couldn't bear the pain of her broken leg. 44. He needed the data. 45. This engine is old, but it still works with precision. 46. Why does he have difficulty reading small print? 47. My father works for a lumber company. Where does he work? 48. Bob jumped into the water head first. What did he do? 49. Joe heard a rumor that the air base was going to close. What did he hear? 50. Rush this order through. 51. The sailor can steer that small boat. 52. Mr. King's a flexible man. 53. We succeeded because we had determination. 54. Why does Jane have goosebumps? 55. David's car is ready to fall apart. 56. Aunt Nellie walked over to the couch. 57.
How much did you pay for your new suit?
I don't remember now.
What does she want to know? 58.
What have you been doing this summer?
I've been traveling.
What has he been doing? 59.
What did you think of John?
He gave the best performance in the play.
What did John do? 60.
This heat is terrible.
Yes, it really makes me tired, and I'm thirsty too.
Why don't we get a cold drink?
That's a good idea.
61.
What are you looking at?
The compass.
What does he want to know? 62.
Are you going to buy some sugar?
Yes, but I can't decide on the amount.
What can't the woman decide? 63.
Didn't you finish the book?
No, there were too many distractions.
Why didn't he finish reading? 64.
We have to get this work done.
Yes, but it has to be done in accordance with proper procedures.
65.
Bob, do you know Susie very well?
Yeah, why do you ask?
I'm looking for a new roommate. Do you think she and I could get along?
I don't know. Susie really has a short fuse.
66.
Hi, honey. Sorry I'm late. Am I in the doghouse?
Not this time. 'll
You